So today we're taking a look at these amazing solar tiki lights that I use to light up the steps in front of my deck at night to make sure that nobody falls. They're pretty amazing. They do have quite a flame look to them, which is impressive. You see them during the day or during the night, and they do produce a good bit of light. So for me anyway, the safety aspect is great, but they're also very stylish. I've had these ones for several months now, still holding good light. Little solar panels on top, no batteries needed. Pretty fantastic. So go ahead and order yours today. I'm going to go ahead and get up close with them. All right. You really see that they look like a realistic flame. That's absolutely amazing. And now I'll show you once again what they look like during the day.